My name is Ram, CTO at App Virality, and he is my brother.
I'm Lakshman, co-founder at App Virality. 6 months back, we wanted to build an app that keep people updated on their railway PNR status. We had built that previously on web and had been extremely successful with 3 lakh people checking their PNR status every day. But to the surprise, when it comes to mobile, things didn't work the same way. Though we have an awesome app built in, we realized that it's really hard to get discovered among all the 3 million apps across these 2 app stores. We are good at search engine optimization on web, but unfortunately there is no such thing on mobile. And we don't want to spend much marketing budget. So the only option we had left with is to identify a smarter way to grow. That's when we thought, okay, let's go out and see what the other smart people are doing to grow organically. And we learned that Uber is giving $10 each if you refer a friend, and Dropbox is giving 125 MB more space if you follow them on social media. And all these people achieved their more than 60% of their initial growth by following these simple techniques.
Hey, do you know, even today, Dropbox is getting 35% of their signups from their very same old growth hack which they have implemented 4 years back.
That's true. People call all these techniques as growth hacking. That's the most buzz and popular word today in the internet market. But we also realized that only established companies like these are serious about growth hacking, and most of the rest ignore the fact that these simple techniques can help them grow organically. And there are two fundamental reasons why they ignore it. The reason number 1, the same Uber or Dropbox growth hack might not work for your business. Your business is different, and it's different at every stage of it. And the reason number 2, it takes a lot of time and money to build all that infrastructure on your own to implement these simple techniques. But what if there is a solution that allows all these businesses to identify the right growth hack and implement without having to write a single line of code? That's the Eureka movement. And today, I'm proud to introduce you to the solution, App Virality, the plug-and-play growth hacking toolkit for mobile apps that helps all these businesses to identify the right growth hack and implement it without having to write a single line of code. Let's have a look at how this restaurant app called Khana is benefiting by using App Virality. It's a simple 4-step process. They downloaded our SDK, integrated with App Virality, and we suggested them 3 best growth hacks in their industry according to their business and their growth. And they selected the first one, customer retention, and this is how configuration page looks like. So you can configure a whole lot of things, what the message you want to show it to user, when to start, when to end, which location, and all that stuff. And this is how it looks on their user's mobile screen. Once somebody places an order on their mobile app, at the end you can see, get 5% off on your next meal. And click on claim it, it says, share it with your friends that you're enjoying this meal and get 5% on your next order. So they have to do either a Facebook share or a tweet to get that 5%. So we call them as an actions. You can have WhatsApp, Google+, feedback, survey, poll, anything pretty much in place of the Facebook and tweet. We have 40+ actions built in like that. Let's say, so at the end, we help businesses with all the meaningful data they need to figure out whether this technique is working for them or not, or which offer is working best in which location. So we do all that stuff, all the A/B testing and everything what you need without touching your code, without having your techie help. We are in private beta at the moment, live on few apps and going good. And we'll be live very soon on 180+ apps registered with us. And most of the people think virality is an accident. It's not true.
It's engineered. We help businesses to deal with that engineering part.
That's true. Got an app? Please stop by our booth. We'll be more than happy to help you to find the right growth hack and implement that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.